Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. After a long heat wave, many of our plants died. That's why my mom thought of buying some plants. She is buying the plants from online. This is actually the first time when she is buying plants from online. The plants were really good for their price. For the first few days, my mom just kept them in a shaded areas. Then after a while, my mom thought of repotting it. As you can see, these are the plants which died from the heat wave. My mom is thinking of repotting the plants in these pots. Because of the heavy rain, the soil isn't dry yet. As it is the monsoon season, my mom is checking for all the drainage holes. She also widened the drainage holes. After that, my mom put some pebbles in the bottom of the pot. If you do not have pebbles, then you can add small pieces of bricks, charcoal, etc. Pebbles help in draining the stagnant water. After that, she put the soil. This soil was previously prepared. It is only mixed with neem leaves dust. Neem leaf dust acts as a fungicide, which is very important in this monsoon season. One thing that my mom does after purchasing any plant is that she never removes the full soil. She only checks if there are any kind of net pots or a bad kind of soil. If the soil is hard and reddish in color, then make sure to change the soil. Otherwise, do not remove the full soil. If you do like this, then your plant will have time to adjust to the new soil and nature around it. And after repotting any kind of plant, if you find any kind of damaged or dead leaves, removing it is the best. After repotting every plant like this, my mom kept them in a semi-shaded area. And also don't forget to give sufficient amount of water after repotting. Only after 7 days the plant started having new leaves. During only that time, my mom digged the soil and removed all kinds of weeds. And while checking your soil quality, make sure to just keep on watering, nothing else. But that's all for today. Those who want to plant some new plants, this is the best time to buy any kind of plants and repotting it. Bye bye.